Hey, what's up, guys? It's Craig Syracusa, Walk in Faith. Grant, I want to thank you so much for sending me this book, The 10X Rules. Fantastic book. You know, like most books, like scripture, like the Bible, a lot of people don't like to read it because what it does is it reveals sin. It reveals, issues that we have within our lives. It reveals a lot of things that we're able to sort of just to lie about to ourselves, and especially on social media. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm hustling. I'm motivated. But that's not always true. And it's very easy to believe that. It's very easy to have other people believe that through the way we live our lifestyles. And what this book does, and what this book did for me, is it reveals a lot of questions that I need to ask myself, and questions you need to ask yourself. Am I living up to my full potential? Am I living up to what God has placed in my heart? Am I living up to the 10X rule? Am I really motivated? Or am I only motivated when somebody's watching? What am I doing in private? There were a lot of interesting questions in here, and the question I want to ask you is the question that Grant will ask me. Am I living a 10X lifestyle? Am I giving it 120%? Ask yourself that question. Always remember, you have the ability to inspire and evangelize through your words and actions.